Good afternoon, grade 4 student. This is teacher Wayne. So, let's do the phonics for unit 8. Okay, we tackled this before, but just for review, some other word that we forget. Okay, so let's start from the letter. The phonics O, 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 O. Let's do. Okay, so you need to listen and repeat. Okay. So track 9, page 70. Listen, point, and repeat. Are you ready? What is this? Ow. Ow. Mouse. Ow, ow, mouse. Ow, cow. Ow, ow, cow. Ow, cow. Mouse, cow. So, okay. So next is, let's do another more. Okay. Let's read together. The brown mouse has a round house. Are you ready? Listen and chant. Brown house has a round house. The brown mouse, a brown mouse has a round house. Again. The brown mouse has a round house. Let's do this slower more. The brown mouse has a round house. Repeat. The brown house has a round house. The brown house has a round house. The brown mouse has a round house. Okay, so let's do. What is this? Loud. Say it. Loud. Ow. Loud. This one. Cloud. Oh, cloud. This one. Round. Oh, round. This one. House. Ow, house. This one. Mouse. Ow, mouse. Mouth. Ow, mouth. This one. Oh, cow. Oh, cow. Owl. Owl. Oh, owl. Oh, gown. Gown. Oh, gown. Gown. Crown. Oh, crown. Crown. Clown. Oh, clown. Clown. Brown. Oh, brown. Brown color. Okay, so this one, repeat again. What is this? This is a mouse. Mouse. What is this? Owl. This one. Round. This one. Clown. This one. House. This one. Mouth. Mouth. This one. Cloud. Cloud. This one. Loud. Loud. This one. Oh, cow. Cow. What is this? Brown. Is brown. Brown color. This one. Gown. Gown. This one. Crown.